Hey guys, it's Chris. Today we wanted to talk to you a little bit about what makes the RVibrake3 different from other portable braking systems. This is the time of year when people are looking at new systems, especially for the upcoming spring season. This is kind of when we have a lot of new faces on our channel, just due to the fact that it's kind of the new year. People maybe have started looking over the Christmas sale that we just had, that kind of thing. So there's a lot of information out there when it comes to portable braking systems, and it can be confusing very quickly. So we just want to set the record straight. What makes RVibrake3 different? The very first thing is that we are an air-driven system over an electric corkscrew motor. The reason we don't use an electric motor and we use the air-driven system is threefold. First of all, it allows us to be lighter, it allows us to be smaller, and it allows us to have a faster response time. Our braking system can respond in under half a second. Most braking systems that are portable take about 2 to 3 seconds to fully extend in a panic stop, and that's way too long. The second feature that sets RVibrake3 apart is our auto position feature. This is really important because it allows for seamless setup with 3 presses of one button. It'll tell you if you've done everything right, and it'll also tell you if you've done something wrong. There's no guesswork involved whatsoever. Another great feature of RVibrake3 is our brake lock detection. This is unique to RVibrake3. It basically lets us let you know if your brake pedal is depressed during setup at any point in time. So there's no running back and forth. You don't have to check your brake lights. You don't have to keep going back and forth to make sure that that brake pedal is not being held down, and there's an audio assistant that will audibly alert you to that, and then our tablet will also tell you on its screen. Speaking of the tablet, our command center is another thing that sets RVibrake3 apart. It allows you to monitor your braking system, your tire patrol sensors, and your towed battery charger plus if you've got one. It's one ecosystem that allows you to monitor multiple products, free up space on your dash. It's a huge plus if you're looking at a portable braking system. So these are the biggest features that really set RVibrake3 apart from other portable competitors. But another great feature that's kind of unsung is our customer service here at RVI. We want to make sure that your RVing adventure is as stress-free as possible. All of our customer service champions, that's their goal. So if anything ever did go wrong, we don't expect it to, but if it did, or if you just have questions about using your brake, we're responsive and we want to be able to help you. It's something that really sets us apart as a company and something that we're really proud of. So for all these reasons, we would encourage you to go with an RVibrake3 if you're looking for a braking system this upcoming season. If you've got questions on it, like I mentioned, reach out to our customer service team. We're happy to help. We're available by phone, chat, or email. In the meantime, guys, happy RVing. Hey guys, thanks again for joining us. We can't wait for you to dive in a little bit deeper on this channel. We've got tons of other great videos on products, stories, tips and tricks for when you're on the road. Before you go check those out though, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. It may sound a little cliche, but it actually really does help us here on the YouTube side of things to make sure that we can continue to provide this kind of content for you. So if you've got any questions at all, never hesitate to reach out. We always love hearing from you. Guys, in the meantime, happy RVing.